It's never a good idea to just start throwing protective measures into place or implementing systems and technologies without properly designing and planning those technologies. Another common type of attack is called the backdoor attack. During a backdoor attack, an attacker creates an alternative way into the system. What's all this about layers? Well, we need to get into that information too, which we'll do in our initial overview. A network protocol is simply a computer language that systems on a network use to communicate with one another. Due to the fact that one of the primary reasons for using wireless networks is their flexibility and ease of use, there are going to be scenarios where you don't require a lot of planning. Here's an image of a Netgear router that doesn't have multiple access points that I can access. In this case, the radio is on. We're broadcasting the SSID, and this is the operating mode. There are multiple topologies that exist and vary in use. There are some topologies which are more common than others, but all topologies have advantages and disadvantages. More commonly, the ring topology is used as a logical topology for the token ring architecture, but those systems are wired as a physical star. Mesh topologies provide multiple communication paths between network nodes. In addition to hardware troubleshooting tools, we also should construct a software toolkit if we're going to be working as network technicians. Believe me, this will come in handy if you ever need to replace a driver, especially if it's the driver of your network card. If your organization utilizes a help desk ticketing system, then this binder of information might actually be implemented via software. You can utilize search functionality in systems like Microsoft Service Manager to look up problems in an internal knowledge base. When you're running on normal AC power, the battery is being charged, but the power inverter's not actually being used. The term cloud has become a fairly common term in today's organizations and among network technicians. It's very important that we get a grasp on what cloud actually means. Not all clouds are the same, as there are different types of clouds and different service models within them. So we can't simply stop with this definition, but I think that gives us a good starting point. Virtual private networks are the most common type of remote node connection available today. As such, we need to understand what the VPN is all about, as well as the different types of VPNs that exist. The two types of configuration